If you've always seen GIFs and thought, wow, that's so cool, I'd really love to do that, but you just don't know where to begin, then this is the class for you. Hello, my name is Mal and I'm an artist, illustrator and teacher. In this class, I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of GIF. They are the colour changing GIF, the wobble effect GIF, and the image changing GIF. The skills that you're going to learn in this class can be applied to a wide range of artistic styles and can boost lots of different areas of your creative practice, from creating social media campaigns to making your website, newsletter or emails stand out from the crowd. Or you could simply enjoy making the GIFs as standalone artworks. Animating your drawings, even in a really simple way, can be a fantastic way to boost your engagement, draw more attention to your portfolio, and just breathe some more life and energy into your drawings. This course is aimed at beginners or anyone who would just like to make their artwork move. We're going to be working by hand on paper and then taking our handmade drawings into Photoshop to create our GIFs. But don't worry if you don't know anything about Photoshop, I'm going to be going through all the stages of the process step by step. We'll start by brainstorming your initial sketches, looking at different lettering styles and how you might adapt them with illustrations in different ways. I'm going to be giving you a few tips and templates for you to use if you're less confident with drawing. I'll then be showing you how to prepare and digitize your artwork ready to be animated. We're then going to be looking at colours, the important considerations of using colours in GIFs, and then we're going to select some colour palettes to use with your GIF designs. We're then going to take the drawings into Photoshop and make our first colour changing GIF. After this, I'll walk you through how to make the GIF with that distinctive wobble effect that can really make your drawings look alive. Finally, I'll show you how to make an image changing GIF, which can be really playful and a really fantastic way to play with letters. In the class, I've included a bonus lesson showing you how to export your GIFs as MP4 files. Currently, the GIF format isn't supported by Instagram, so this lesson's going to allow you to share on that platform. Once you know how to make GIFs, you're going to have so much fun making your artwork move. I can't wait to see what you're going to make. So let's get animating.